Good morning, myself Anjali Vijay. I will give you information about hereditary and evolution. Heredity is the transfer of biological character from one generation to the next generation. The gradual changes occurring in living organism over a long duration. Formation of new species due to changes occurring in living organism of specific character of several generations in living organism. As a response to the natural selection, it is also called as evolution. Synthesis of protein, DNA thought RNA, it is also called as central dogma. The code of each amino acid consists 3 nucleotides. This is also called as triplet codon.
सुरू आहे तिथे थांबा तुम्ही किती असू द्या मग
The uracil in RNA instead of thymine of DNA, the synthesis of the DNA, the RNA synthesis, it is also called as transcription. tRNA has anticodon having complementary sequence to the codon of mRNA. This is called translation. The ribosome keeps on moving from one end of mRNA to other end of distance by one triplet codon. This is called translocation. Morphological evidence. Various similarities like structure of mouth, position of voice, structure of nostril, and thickly distributed hair are seen in animal. Various similarities in character like lip shape, lip venation, etc. Anatomical evidence. Similarity, structure of bones and bony joint organ of each animals. Vestigial organ. Degenerated or underdevelopment useless organ of organism, it is called vestigial organ. Appendix, which is useless in human being, is useful and fully functional organ of ruminant. Similarity, muscles of ear pinna which are useless in human being is useful. It is useful in monkey for movement of ear pinna. Various vestigial organs like tailbone, coccage, wisdom teeth, etc. Fourth is paleontological evidence. The time passed since the death of plant and animal. The time death of plant and animal can be calculated by measuring radioactive C14 and radio C14 to C12 present in their body. Fifth is connecting link. Some plant and animals show some morphological character by which they can be related to two different groups. Hence, it is also called as connecting link. Example: peripatus and segment like character like segment body. Embryological evidence. All embryos show extreme similarity during initial stage, and those similarity decrease gradually. Similarities indicate stage. Similarity indicates stage or common origin of all these animals. May I ask you some question? What is meant by central dogma? What is meant by carbon dating method? What is meant by carbon dating method?
Tell the short short way. What is the carbon dating? What is the use of the carbon dating? Okay. सांगा सर सुजय.
Determine the age
Determine the age of.
to determine the age of object or person.
Okay, very good.
The time passed since the death of plant and animal by calculate measuring in radioactive C14 and radio C14 to 12 in present in their body. This is carbon dating method. Carbon dating method is based upon radioactivity naturally occurring C14 and it is developed by Willard Libby. Natural selection with survival of fittest. Darwin had published a book titled Origin of Species. Darwin's theory natural selection is very widely accepted to the long duration. Some main objects raised against the theory. Some of the main objects are: first is natural selection is not only factor responsible for evolution. Second is Darwin did not mention any explanation about useless and useful modification. Third is there is no any explanation about slow changes and abrupt changes. Darwin's work on evolution has been a milestone. Of appendix in our digestive system.
Appendix is the useless organ of our human body.
Appendix present in our digestive system is a vestigial organ, and it does not perform any function about in human being. It is a ruminant animal. It is used in digestion. It is cellulose. This English biologist Charles Darwin proposed the theory of evolution. He showed that all the species of living organism has been gradually evolved over the period of thousands of years from common ancestor. He performed that principle of natural selection for evolution, for responsible for this evolution. Thank you so much, sir.